nothingness na ang ginawa mo. Why? Because pinalampas mo 2023. Pinalampas mo 2023, 2024, 2025. Ngayon ka lang magngangat-ngat. Too late na hero. But you were never a hero. You were the villain from the beginning. You were never a hero, Marcos. You were always a villain. Ever since you were a senator, you were already a villain. Ikaw nga yung naghinto nung yung arm, tapos, nagpo-protesta ka pa kasi natalo ka daw eh. Napakasinungaling mo eh, nilampasok ka naman ni Leni Robredo. O ito si Paring Eli kaibigan ni Leni ito eh. Anong tingin mo, Paring Eli?
Hindi, talo naman talaga siya kahit nagkaroon ng recount.
Huwag sinungaling. So ngayon, magsinungaling ka na naman na ikaw ang malinis, ang nasa DPWH, nasa Congress, sila lahat ay marumi. When in fact, sasabi ko lang, ikaw ang pinakamarumi.